Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can appear offline to someone on Instagram. Now, this is basically you're online, everyone else can see you online, but if you want to appear offline to one specific person, even though you're active on Instagram, here's what to do. So just go ahead and open that person's profile. So you can either search for the profile or open it from wherever. And once you get to that person's profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select restrict. Now, when you restrict someone on Instagram, they'll not be able to see your new comments on your posts and some other things, but because they're restricted, they'll also not be able to see when you're active on Instagram or when you're online. So this will not unfollow anyone, this will not block anyone, this will just restrict your interactions with this particular user. And that interaction includes them seeing when you're active or online on Instagram. So that is basically how you can appear to be offline on Instagram to one specific person. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.